Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, all the stock market lovers out there, buckle up because today we're diving into why Tesla recent stock dip might just be the golden ticket you have been waiting for. And don't worry, I will keep it simple. No fancy Wall Street talks, just straight up money talk. So what has been happening with Tesla? Well, in the first quarter of 2025, Tesla stock took a bit of a nosedive, dropping over 35% year to date. Ouch. But remember, in the stock market, one person's ouch is another person's opportunity. A few factors contributed to this decline. Sales in Europe and China has been sluggish, and Elon Musk political involvement, was imagine that people protesting a car company. So what's next? But here's the twist. Despite these challenges, many analysts remain optimistic about Tesla's future. In fact, some have even set higher price targets, very much higher than the current stock price. I'm one of the investors that are aiming for much higher increase right now. So it's more like betting on a horse that stumbled at the first but still has the speed to win the race. Now let's talk about short interest. As of mid-March, Tesla had a short interest of 81.33 million shares, representing 3.19 of the float. This marks a 21.15 increase from the previous month. Translation: more investors are betting against Tesla. But remember, high short interest can lead to a short squeeze, a rapid increase in a stock price as short sellers scramble to cover their positions. It's like when everyone suddenly realizes, oh, there is only one pizza left in the party. Chaos and grappling everywhere starts. So why is now the opportunity of a lifetime to buy Tesla stock? Well, buying low and selling high is the name of the game. But with a Tesla currently down so much, entering now could be a position for much higher gains. If and when, no one knows. But if the stock rebounds, plus if a short squeeze occurs, the stock could skyrocket faster than a SpaceX rocket on a caffeine binge. Now going through some technical analysis of the stock, we can see the decline from this high around here all the way to this place where we are at 268 right now while I'm recording this video. So what I'm personally seeing is this huge area of interest. You can call it supply, demand, whatever you want, because if we go out to the monthly, you can see it very clear around this area that there will be some interest. You can also see this smaller area on the monthly where people are usually gonna start buying, which is the red candle of this place. So we have two zones of interest. This is one of the strategies I have been doing for a long time, which is look for an area of interest inside an area of interest. So going back to the daily, we can see it went down from this high to this place, tried to rebound, but of course people are gonna recover some of their profits and it's gonna do some of this, swing before it goes up. And this makes sense. It can just straight and go up after all of this down move. People are gonna realize, oh, this might be a problem here around this area. If Tesla do something like this, go up and go down and then break these highs and then of course go down because manipulation happens and it must clear some of the greedy people before straight and going up. But that's what I'm predicting. It can of course take this low and take all of the stop losses before going up. But this doesn't matter. If we are buying right now, doesn't matter because we are buying so cheap, so cheap. Like I predict something like this or take a stop loss and go up. But let's measure it actually. So if I use my ruler here around this area, we have a potential gain of like 94%, which is almost 100%. That's crazy. Imagine 100% of your profits. So that's actually what I'm doing now. I'm staking and buying some options and selling some puts around this area. It doesn't matter what you're gonna do. The most important thing is to try and take advantage. Of course, investing always carries risk and it's essential to do your own research. But remember, fortune favors the bold. So just keep an eye on Tesla for the meantime. I'm buying. I'm not telling you should buy, but it's a great opportunity. Thanks for tuning in. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights. I'm gonna do in the next video how we can even multiply these gains by an ETF which tracks Tesla. We're gonna have all the details as we always do. So have a good day and peace out.